Okay, hi, hello everybody. So this is going to be another video on how to install the CFG application for your Android phone. As you can see, the app is no longer available on the Google Play Store. It's not there. Even if you were to type CFG football, you can't find the application. So the only way to install this is to go to their official website. So all you got to do is open up Google Chrome and type CFG4, hit the search button, and this is the link that you're supposed to click, the first one that says reflex. Alright, so the moment you click it, you'll be redirected into the page, and the moment you're in, all you've got to do is hit the app download button that's below over here. So select that and go for the Android download. Okay, now once you're in the Android download page, you will be redirected over here to this particular link, and all you got to do is press get, and you'll be prompted with a loading sign, and the file is being downloaded. As you can see, my file is currently being downloaded. It's about 52.17 megabytes, so it's not such a large file. So let's wait for it to download. Okay, once you have downloaded the app, all you got to do is click the APK, alright, and install it. So it's going to show you that it's installing the APK. Once it's installed, you can either click done or open it, but just to show everybody that the application works, I'm going to select open, and I'm redirected to their main page. Of course, first time we got to allow the permissions, whatever that's required for the application to run. And yes, you can always change the language to English. Okay, and there you go. Click my page. It should prompt me to the login screen, and there it is. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.